Hello everyone, I'm Laura Gardner. Welcome to the new semester. I look forward to getting to know everyone and learning as much as I can about grief and loss. I did my first field placement at a domestic violence shelter in my community. I was able to work closely with the executive director. I attended many meetings with her, learned how to write grants. I also got to interact with a lot of the shelter clients. There was a lot of loss and grief around the clients that stayed in the shelter in all aspects, whether it's losing relationships, family, friends, material items, having to go to a new home. So many areas of that field experience will be able to help me continue learning about this class. I am also currently working as a multi-systemic therapist. That is my job. I've been with the company that I'm working for a little over a year now. I work with adolescents age 12 to 18, and I also work closely with the caregivers and family members they work with. I address the areas of their community, individual, family, school. I work with peers, and I think this class will be very beneficial to my current job and anything that I might consider in the future. I think that there's a lot of loss and grief with a lot of the kids that I work with, and they might not interpret it as loss. Some feel that death is just a loss, but many of them are removed from their homes, whether they're sent to placement, foster care, or their parents are incarcerated. Lots of the kids I work with are homeless, get expelled from school. I mean, you name it, it's probably happened to these kids. And helping them be able to deal with that and cope with that, I think, will be beneficial. I think it also can help them manage their emotions and hopefully stop offending and continuing down the path that they are if they get a better understanding. So I hope to get that out of the course. I would like to learn each life cycle and how to interact with people that have lost someone or lost material things or grieving. I mean, I think it's similar to some extent in the life cycles, but also there are many differences depending on ages as well. So I do hope to learn that in this class, and I also think there's a lot more types of loss that I might not be aware of, and so I'm excited to see what some of those are and what everyone else has to, how they interpret the readings and the assignments as well. I look forward to working with everyone. Thank you.